kasi maganda.
I think it's cheaper. It's like £40 cheaper. I don't think they have this in the UK though.
Pag-picture kasi maganda.
Wow. Sabi mo. Narinig ako bigla.
Huwag ka maghawak dyan, huwag ka maghawak tayo. Mahal yan. Nakita mo ba ang presyo niyan?
It's cheaper here.
Salamin to? Parang hindi paklong yun pag inisalamin.
Pero
Sabi siya ka nga.
maging tipaklong. Ikaw magiging tipaklong yan tayo.
Well, I think, what's her name?
Lalo kang hindi na makakakita niyan. Hindi ka na makakakita.
No. I need to just laser it. I need to laser it even.
Naputi dyan.
Because I think, do you know Tessa? She has one.
She has one?
Yeah, I think she paid like $230. This is
For lasering?
No, for the glasses. This is cheaper.
Sige nga, tignan mo nga. Magtingin ka nga sa Westfield.
We don't have it in Westfield. It's in Selfridges only. They offer
Okay, magkano sa Selvan?
200. Look.
Ready to post, ready to. Ano siya? Ano ba? Ay, mahulog ka.
Bantay mo ang ganun mo.
Oo nga, nakita ko nga.
Wait, what is that? You would never wear it. Yeah. You wouldn't wear it, but it's just a nice club. Yeah. You wouldn't wear it. Actually, you would, but like it has to be something. Yeah, you're like you're fashion.
15 pesos? 53 pesos? Free shipping? Ay ka. Free shipping talaga.
What's it called? It's called Hilo. This is like 190. That's 175.
What's that?
Yeah. It's cheaper here.
Yun, picture niya siya.
Oh.
Baka makabasag. Ano? Bantayan mo makabasag. Ako magbabayad niyan.
Diyos ko po.
Nagpabili siya sa Shopee. Ay, parang si, Matrix.
Dapat nakabike ka
Matrix.
niya, no?
Yung Matrix.
Sabi ko yan.
Kuya, baba mo lang sa pin ko. Grab driver pala yun.
Tignan mo talaga si Day.
Parang 5 piso lang yung isa namin. Diyos ko po.
Nag-order siya ng
Oh, like this? Like a...
Ay, yata yung dadating ngayon eh.
Yeah. It's like a...
Dumating na ba?
It's like okay, but I think that one of the reasons why I wasn't
Same lang yata. Same lang ba yan doon sa una? What?
No, I think this one.
Ikaw hawak mo naman.
Na-excite tuloy ako.
Di ba darating ngayon sa'yo? Di ba darating ngayon sa'yo?
Na-excite tuloy ako dun sa picture.
very funny.
Sabihan mo lang ako. Sabihan mo kapag hindi mo kaya. Kahit dahil
Nangutubak ko eh.
Very sunny in the UK. I think.
Eh sa'yo, try mo. Yung pink.
Kasi na ako sa iyo.
Aray! Tumuo ka.
Parang same lang. Ay, hindi makapasa.
What is that? It's so good.
Oo.
Kasi meron pang mga salamin.
Yo, these are same ones but different lenses.
Pangaul ay din. So yan guys, testingin natin to. Perfect. Oh my God. Maybe other factor here. How about this one? Maganda. Huwag kang matawa. Huwag kang matawa.
Hindi ako tumatawa na
Nakagusto mo. Look, kuya.
And we're trying to not.
Man. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, so good. Mm. Yeah. Di ba ito yung dati mo? Yeah. Or hindi? Ibang style.
The other one's better.
Yung bilog?
Actually, hard. You're right. You're actually right.
Oh, the first one?
What is the yen then? Oh, then you know the yen go like the black guy.
16,000. 500.
Mag-miss ka muna, parehas nun. Anong pangalan nun?
Miss,
Anisha?
Anisha, yes. Anisha Maria Gomez. Kabisado. Siya maganda ba guys? So, try pa natin. Eto, napakapagod ko. Ito guys. So perfect. So, yan. Dami namin. Pati din dito. Dami kiso. Try natin sa dito. Oh, the mga eyes. Buti hindi ito bumakad. Totoo ba ka? Or in the culture orange. So anyways.
Paper to sis year.
Ayan, lock ng topa.
Sis year.
Hindi.
Ay, iba. Halap sis niya. Yung nagpatin sa mga alak mo sis niya.
Hindi.
Yung sa PBB.
PBB, Big Binoy. Ah, sorry.
Huwag ganyan na nga. Ingatan mo naman, di yung hawak.
Boba pala yan eh.
Boba. Boba tea. Gnarly. Halo. Halo.
gotta love you love it? Buy. Put it on the card. Put it on the card. Put it on the card.
Parang ito din kay kuya eh. Pek, ding, ding, ding. Pek.
Wait,
Pares sila.
Yan ba yung sa'yo?
no.
Pares lang.
Mine's
Ito.
like this.
This one.
This one more down. The two dogs.
Ano sa'yo dyan?
Ito sa akin, no? Yung in-order ko, ito ata. Start. Bang 13,000. Pero sa akin, alam mo magkano? 63.
Yeah.
63, 68.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Dude, take a photo right away. Oh, like, oh, that's not to you. Oh, right away.